There she go, man. She ugly, man. And then, oh god damn, boy. God damn. So this is in, you can't get it out, so you have to unhinge this to then sneak that corner out. What a fucking shite is that? Beautiful. Bang on, man. Yeah, turn them off. This little thing has to go into there. So just like that. And behind it is
End of the production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are doing 2-in-1. We're going to be changing these chrome bits for black ones, which have come here. I'll put these down in the description below. And the thing is, whilst I've got them open, I might as well change these lights. So I've ordered this, and in the kit it pretty much comes with the lights and yeah, just the trim removal to take them off. Sequential lights. Okay, so first thing first, I need to go on that side. Right, push it in like that. Try to get your hands in there. Get your fucking hands in there. Right, let it hang. Might scratch the paint this. It always does. Hold it. Yeah, watch you just stay like that. Just stay like that. Right, and then you're gonna see these clips here. You see them here. You push these in. There's one here, one there, and one right there. Okay, you just want to push these, and then at the same time, unhinge this. And I think a trim removal might just help, just starting it up like this. So as I pinch, just pull it out and get there. It's a tricky one to get to. I think I'll get that other side. Hopefully it just rips out. This one's got my get that one. Yeah, there we go, that one. Beautiful. There are that one. There's this one. But first we need to take this light out, which screw there, screw there, screw there, which look very small. That's a T10. Beautiful, T10. So you're gonna need a T10 before you start the lights. Oh, fucking hell. Put the other two off. I thought it was one screw, because it's only one screw that holds that light, but it's in such a tight thing. One more here at the back, Sadiq. Okay, now proper clamp this, isn't it? Fuck off, is that another screw? What are you hanging on now? Shouldn't be hanging on anything. Why the fuck's the light not coming out yet? Let me see that again. fuck. So you have to unhinge it to get it through there. We found out. So you zoom into there. Once this is in, you can't get it out. So you have to unhinge this to then sneak that corner out. What a fucking shite is that? This one here. Yeah, just get the pits me off. It's always the smallest fucking arse. Why are you not fucking coming out? You fuck on me? No fucking see me. Why you not fuck off? He's gonna break it. It just come out. That's a tight fit out. Fucking tight fit out. Right, plug it in. Before I thingy it. Yeah, put the hazards on there so the... Oh shit. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. See? Bang on mate. Yeah, turn them off. Right, so now tuck this side in first, because that's what come out last. It's got like a little thing here. And there, oh yeah. This is a fucking cunt. Fucking cunt. Okay, so come on this side. This little thing has to go into there, so just like that, and behind it is like a square. You have to tilt it this way. It's very hard to see. Oh. Give it a little nudge. It's fucking in before the twat. There we go, just like that. And now come on this side. Now tuck that in there. So now the bottom bit's fucking out. Just look at that first. And that is how it is. And now, oh fuck, I need screws mate. So I took out one screw from here, one from here, and 3 from inside. Yeah, they're a tricky one. I've never had a car where you have to take the bottom panel out just to get that. Normally you just clip them out. Where do I put them? Third bolt. I don't know, see. Hey, you don't fucking see me. See, do you know when I put that third camera? A third fucking nut.
So,
Oh, there.
oh, it's fine.
There. Crisis averted. So if you are planning to change the wing mirrors, you might as well do it all at 2 in 1, because you have to take them off anyway. To do the lights. Right, so now let's see how much this fits perfectly. It lines up. Lines up with the old, that lines up there. Lines up there. Lines up there. That's there. That middle one. Yep, that's in. That's fucking a mesh. That is up. And put the mirror back. And that is fucking that much. You know what I mean? Like, well, let me put the indicator on. Got that. Look at that. Now look, obviously show them that side. There she go, man. She ugly, man. And then, oh god damn, boy. God damn. So I'm just it's getting late. We're losing daylight, so it's pretty much the same thing. I'll just do that one off camera. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll put these down in the link description below. And what I did notice is they did give you this what 10 mil in it. Couldn't really see it, but I've got me on, so you don't really need a 10 mil. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick.